Mwiroreri wa Kameme TV uri haraya wahota gwiciria uyu ni muthemba mweru wa Mithugwiti ithondeketwo ni undu wa mambura ma thigũkũ ya Christmas. No itikia kana urege, uyu ni mutaratara mweru thunduritwo ni endia a ndawa cia kulevya wa kwendia bangi makiria kuri ciana cia mathukuru.
You can see now these are biscuit, but within this biscuit you can see the black color. This is all bangi. So these ones are being sold just next to the university and get up here. And even what they are doing, they are placing them in the sacks which are containing shoes. So you think that the student, they are just polishing a shoe, but he has just gone there for this. This kind of biscuit and the bangi.
Kuringana na munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Muchangi, Mithugwiti ino njohi ici cia maigirira mitungi ino ya canga na makonia maya ma bangi iranyitirwo mwena wa Juja hindi ya firigiceni ya thikũ ithatu iri ratabanagio ni maabitha a borithi.
We have been able to recover 180 liters of changa, 22 cartons of counterfeit silica that is recovered within area of Muigai and some parts of Gashororo. 16 mobile phones of different makes also recovered within the Juja township, 8 pangas, 10 assorted knives, 2 carry barrel, and 5 bangi 85 kilograms worth 500,000 shillings.
Riu Muchangi ni oritie muingi na makiria andu aria manyuaga njohi mekirire kurora kana njohi iria marenderio ni ikinyaniirie ikiro, kuona turia ni meru ni tuthondekete njohi cia maigirira na irekirwo micuba ya njohi iria cioikaine.
I want to give a warning. We have a lot of these fake beers. As you can see, we have the keg, we have Tusker, we have Pilsner. When members of public are buying, especially these autumn drinks for the Christmas, let them check whether they are the real, is the actual beer or is the fake beer. Because they are out within the villages there, people want to make quick money.
Hindi ya firigiceni ino andu 12 ni maraikirio ngono mari na matharaita matiganite hamwe na thimu iria irekwirwo ni cia wici. Uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kulevya na bangi undu umwe na njohi cia ibango ni undu nyamaritie mbeu njithi na gikiro kinene makiria kuma gicigo gia gatagati ka bururi kuria muingi ukoretwo gikaira thirikari ihitane nacio nyanake itanahuka. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.